everyone, I'm Erin. Welcome to MyCherryCloset. Today, I'll be unboxing ShoeDazzle. Alright ladies, enjoy! So exciting! Rockin' Candy Gold Luxe. Now this was a buy one get one free sale that they had, so I took advantage and I got two. Okay, so this shoe is called JIVE, which is a glittery gold sneaker wedge. I love it because, one sec, I have them in black too. I wear these shoes all the time, so I'm so excited to get these. Gorgeous. We have, ooh, Jennifer. We have a nice shoe dust bag. Nicely wrapped. Ooh, ooh, beautiful. Nice gold studs down the back. Fuchsia, almost like a magenta pink, and a nice gold tone tip. Oh, just beautiful. I'll put on my blog what dresses and what clothes I think that it should go with, but oh, it's so good. So Miami, let's go to live now. All right, have a good day.